Hello, this is Trijal. I am making today app lab. I am going to design and I take label and then I write enter. The only but yes. Then I take text input here. Then I put button here and write calculator. I change the color in blue. Then I take label again. And then I write area and begin. Then I take another label here and write perimeter. And then I make it yes. Then I take another label here. Then I take another label here and then I have go to code and take on event button 1 set text 14. Then I go to math and take this. Then I take get number and put text input 1. Another get number here also. Then I take another set text and put 15. Go to math. Then I write here 4. Then I take get number here and put text input 1. Then C. I make it calculator. Okay, bye.